This is a neuron, the basic unit of the nervous system. It has three main parts: the dendrites, which receive signals, the cell body, which processes them, and the axon, which sends the signal to the next neuron. The axon is where an action potential, an electric signal, travels. We first need to look at the sodium-potassium pump to understand how this works. This pump is a protein embedded in the neuron's membrane. It actively moves ions to maintain the neuron's resting state. Polarization refers to the difference in charge across the neuron's membrane. At rest, the inside of the neuron is more negative than the outside, which is called the resting membrane potential. The pump uses ATP to move 3 sodium ions out of the neuron and 2 potassium ions in. Since more positive charges leave than enter, the inside of the neuron becomes negatively charged compared to the outside. This difference in charge is called the resting membrane potential, which is about negative 70 millivolts. Now that the neuron is at rest, let's see how it sends a signal. When the neuron receives a strong enough stimulus, the membrane potential reaches negative 55 millivolts. This is known as the threshold. At this point, voltage-gated sodium channels open, allowing sodium to rush in. This makes the inside more positive in a process called depolarization. The charge quickly rises to positive 30 millivolts. The sodium channels open and the voltage-gated potassium channels open. Now, potassium exits the neuron, restoring the negative charge inside. This is called repolarization. However, the potassium channels close slowly, causing a brief state of hyperpolarization, where the charge dips below negative 70 millivolts. Finally, the sodium-potassium pump restores the original balance, bringing the neuron back to resting potential. This cycle allows neurons to send rapid electrical signals to the body.